All right, I'm here in Keynote, and this is where, just using the drawing tools in Keynote, I drew some of the elements that I want to use to describe the water cycle. And I'm going to put these in ARMakr. Now, I've already removed the background in these elements, so if we just tap there, background is transparent, what you can see there. So those are transparent. The items that I wanted to lay down on the floor, I make sure that they are on the base of the image. That's kind of important. But I'm going to export these. At the bottom here I have words. They're black on a temporarily black background, so they won't show up, but I wrote them in white and then I changed the color to black. So let's export all these images. PNG, all slides. PNG will maintain that transparent background. And we'll do export. And then we will put those, I'm going to save all 14. We're going to drop those in ARMakr next. All right, we're in ARMakr and we've opened up the app. We're going to create a new scene. This is kind of the tricky part. The app will scan your environment, and then you want to select where to lay down the plane. And admittedly, in the hallway of my office here, I don't think the green flooring, the carpet there, did quite so good. That's not laying on the floor like it should be, but so forgive me for that. What we're seeing now, though, quickly, is we are clicking the folder to add new content. It takes me to my photo library, and I add those images in. So rewind and watch that if you need to, but I've now added those in. You see those on the left-hand column. And now I'm just scanning that plane, deciding where to place each of those images. And again, I chose to do drawings in Keynote. I think kids might enjoy that. You could certainly just do static images. These don't have to be drawings necessarily. You could use the shapes in Keynote. So now I'm just clicking those shapes that I imported, and then I'm clicking the place button on the right to place those into my scene. And I sort of fast forwarded a bit here so to get through this. You notice I've even placed the words in black text around in the appropriate places to demonstrate the water cycle here. And then the idea, of course, is that students would use this scene that they created to explain what they've learned about the water cycle. And they could certainly walk the scene with their iPad and focus in on certain areas, talk about the water runoff from the hillsides or the mountains, talk about the kinds of clouds that result in the best precipitation and what happens to the water, etc. That would be a valuable experience for kids, and I think they would enjoy playing inside of this augmented reality scene. So that's kind of the beauty of ARMakr, some of the things that we can do inside this app. Thank you.